So check us out here at MGMClassicCars.com, where we have over 200 beautiful cars for sale, financing available. We got them all stacked and ready, guys, all detailed. They will be going through service department as well to make sure that everything is up front. So check that out on all of our videos. Don't forget to check out our website at MGMClassicCars.com. We do have awesome, great financing available. That rates start at 6.99% as of today, November 18th, 2025. And let's get ready for the next photo shoot, guys, and the video. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGMClassicCars.com here in Addison, Illinois, folks. I would like to present this beautiful, guys, when I say beautiful, this beautiful 1965 Ford Mustang. I am excited. I mean, the quality, the paint scheme on this car, just everything about it really, really tickles my fancy, man. This car, these 65 Mustangs, okay, when they were built, it became an instant sales success, guys. With about 559,000 of these suckers were built. This pony car was in very, very high demand when these first came out, and a lot of them sold, tons and tons and tons. But this particular one, we just got it in. This is a restored condition pony, okay? This car is here from the state of Alabama. We do have some more documentation, supporting documentation about the car. Engine compartment, 302. You got air conditioning in the vehicle, power steering. You got a Holley 4-barrel carb, an overdrive automatic transmission. The air conditioning does blow cold. It is a classic air kit. You got front disc brakes. Now the paint on the car is magnificent. It's completed in a Riviera Turquoise with a white paint on the top, and they did a beautiful job. I mean, look at all the crevices of the car right in here. Look at others, and then come back and look at this one. Look how clean someone took and spent a ton of money on this car, guys. Beautiful interior, in which we'll talk about. You got the upgraded American Racing aluminum wheels with the chrome finish. Underneath the car, please check out the photos. It is super solid, along with the trunk. I'm going to pop that open. I want you guys to check that out. Look at this. Look at the quality of this beautiful little pony, man. I mean, all the little crevices has all been redone, and a professional definitely did this car. A couple bullet points about the car here. As you can see, documented. Mustang was assembled in '65 in Dearborn, Michigan. Restoration started in '05. As I mentioned earlier, the Riviera Turquoise with the white top was done in '06. You got the 302 roller engine with 4,200 RPM installed, completed in '07. Front disc brakes, so forth and so on. Overdrive transmission, suspension, power steering. And it's definitely a trophy winner. Look at that. Extra set of seat covers and backing if need be. You got your plate and your sign. So this all goes with the car, guys. You got your spare here, under here, and your tools for that. Beautiful. Very nice weather stripping, door lips with the factory pinch welds underneath. Look how clean that is. Weather stripping, like I said, door panels look great on the car. Beautiful interior. Dash pad is excellent. Console, radio, air conditioning. Gauges are crisp and clean. Headliner is tight. Beautiful back seat. Package tray with your seat belts. We're going to hop in this baby and go for a test ride. right, guys, we're back in the car here. Horn functions, wipers function, the lights work. I've showed you that in my photos. Gauges work as far as the fuel gauge. The temp gauge functions. You got your radio that functions. This is a Bluetooth, an auxiliary radio where you plug in your phone. Air conditioning, defrost, everything works. You got your kick panel speakers, your Pioneers installed. Very nice. The interior's got the center console with the Dunkin' Donuts and Starbucks coffee holder here. The interior is in great condition, guys. So we're gonna go for a little test drive here. Just putting a little heat in the motor. It's about 50 degrees here in Addison. Okay. So this does have an overdrive transmission. So this building, let me change this. This building to my right is MGM Classic Cars with close to 40,000 indoor square feet. That's where we have a full service department with mechanics on staff, on duty. And we have a full detail shop as well, guys. We do everything here from building cars to repairing everything. So even if you have a car, we can do repair work as well. So the speedo does function on this one as well. So it seems like everything works on this restored little Mustang. Suspension feels great on the car, by the way. Power steering, nice and easy. You can drive this car with one finger. It's very easy to drive. Dual sport mirrors. You got your vent windows. Brakes feel good. All right, we're gonna make a left-hand turn here. Your turn signals function as well. Yeah, there was a lot of these built. That demand was super high for Ford. They were one of the first to come out with something like this. If you go back in time and think about it. I do have the driver's window open. Very smooth going down the road, guys. A lot of thumbs up. A lot of attention. This color combo is super sweet. At 60 miles an hour. This 302's got some punch to it, man. I was a bit surprised on that. I drive a lot of these cars. This thing is tuned really nice. Thank you to my mechanics. So we'll talk about financing a little bit, guys. Here as we progress in the video. So if you need financing and if your credit score is like 630 to 770, you will need about 10% down. So let's just say about $4,000 down. Okay, I'm gonna take this turn a little bit aggressive here. I'm gonna feel out the suspension work. Yeah, that front tire is rubbing just a little bit. But I did take a very aggressive turn. So get back to the financing, guys. I'm going to extend this test drive a little bit. If you need financing, if your credit score is like 640, 630 to like 770, you will need about $4,000 down. Good credit, good job. And rates start at about 8%. Long-term financing available with no prepayment penalty, guys. Super low payments. You'd be surprised on the low payment that you can have on this car, okay? And these do continue to increase in value, okay? So you can find that application at mgmclassiccars.com. If your credit score is over 775, you can find the, well, if your score is over 775, sorry, I'm trying to concentrate on my driving and talking. Hard to do two things at one time for me. But if your score is, again, over 775, reach out to me, and rates start at about 6.99% up to an 84-month term, and I can get you connected directly with my lender, okay? And that is a unsecured loan with no down payment. You guys can drive right away. Okay, so moving forward, you guys have all the information. I do these test drives, guys, to a lot of my sales are over the internet, right? So I concentrate very closely to my test drives, my videos, my photos. Please look at everything. You are definitely looking at a nice 65 Mustang, guys, that is in restored condition, okay? And drives beautiful, guys. With the air conditioning, long driving. You guys can drive across the country. Heck, I would do the hot rod power tour with this thing. It's comfortable. It's got some room in the back for your bags, and enjoy life. Enjoy life, guys. So again, if you need delivery, call or text me. I do prefer text. Text me your zip code, city and state, okay? And I'll get you a quote right over to you. Texting will be a lot quicker than a phone call. But if you don't text, I clearly understand, okay? I clearly understand. You guys can easily call, and if I don't answer, please leave a voicemail. I do return all my calls by the end of the business day, okay? I'm going to head back to the shop here in this brown building to my right now. I have over 200 classic cars and all types of cars that I own. They're all for sale. And there's about 30, 40 that are upcoming every week. So please keep that in mind, guys. I'm going to put this car up on the lift and show you guys the underneath. Thanks for watching MGM Classic Cars. My name is Thomas.